Guess where we are now? We are now heading to Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. At hulaan nyo saan kami pupunta ngayon ng aming family to have a bonding. Tadan! And now we are now here at the Food Club Manila. Isa siyang buffet style pero fine dining ang setup ng buffet na to. So makikita nyo, ang iba't ibang klaseng dishes na may 100 plus na klase. Meron siyang mga salads, breads. Kitang-kita nyo naman, may mga kakanin pa yan, friends. And then, we're now heading to the chocolate fountain for our kids para ma-enjoy din nila ang buffet while we're having our time. Meron ding mga fresh fruits, so hindi lang puro sweets, may healthy version din. So makikita nyo, different kinds of sauces for our salads. And now, ito na ang pinaka-pinipilahan ng lahat. Ang ating lechon belly at ang ating roast beef na talaga namang mabenta sa lahat ng customers nila. We have our western cuisines like the baked salmon and other stuff like sausages and pasta sections, and when you have vegetables, our Italian dishes like pizza, tacos, and now we are now the Japanese section. We have the tempura, the karaage, the sashimi, and of course, the different kinds of maki here. Talaga namang mabubusog ang mga mata nyo sa paningin pa lang sa ganda ng presentation. We have also food from Filipino dishes like balot, sinigang na salmon. We have different kinds of veggies na iba't iba ang luto. Yan, steamed pampano and swahe. And now, this is the Chinese section. We have the siomai, the siopao, and the shabu-shabu section din. So talagang ma-enjoy nyo ang dining experience dito, guys. And now, this is the drinks. We have coffee here, tea, our own sundae, draft beers. So talaga naman mag-enjoy kahit si daddy. The soft drinks and different kinds of juices. And now, we have you made your own halo-halo. And then the ice cream, iba-ibang flavor yan, kaya talagang hindi ka magsasawa. Meron din silang mga bite size and different kinds of cakes. So, let's enjoy our dining experience. So, makikita nyo naman, enjoy talaga ang mami nyo. Kaya ako sa inyo, mag-dine na kayo dito sa Food Club Manila. Hindi kayo magsasawa, hindi nyo nga matitikman halos lahat sa sobrang dami ng ino-offer nila dito. Ikaw na lang ang susuko sa kabusugan nyo. Kaya talaga masusulit nyo yung bawat piso na ibabayad ninyo. And now, we're making our own root beer float. So, kitang-kita nyo naman. Ikaw na mismo ang magsasetup na sarili mo drinks the way na gustong-gusto mo talaga siya. So, meron pa sila ditong pa-birthday song kapag meron mo yung birthday. Sobrang saya talaga ng mga stuff dito. And this is the promos that we have. Kaya fam, sugod na kayo and experience the dining that you deserve.